Tap, tap on the wheel. 2 minutes pass, they're standing still. He moves close, but she folds. I'm the only one getting old. Seatbelts please, seatbelts please. He winds down for some breeze. Now she's the one on her knees. Why is the road today not clear? Left and right, they go nowhere. They don't care, I'm listening. Her voice reminds me of Vivian. Angry, but you can tell she cares. Same soft cheeks, same hard stare. Oh, Vivian, our time was greater. Late nights laughing with the waiter. You made people smile every time. He'll be happy to know we aged like fine wine. Or that lady who took our picture. She'll be happy to know I did 40 years with you. Oh, they've only been together 40 days. I see them breaking up in 40 ways. Tap, tap, I drive away. Maybe I'll call Vivian today. There are things we can both explain. Only one person ever saw our pain. Only the lawyer saw our pain.